Hello viewers, how na dey? Guys, it's your girl again, QMTTV. So guys, let's just quickly do this beautiful turban drop. Let's quickly do it. So guys, you can see how I hold it. So I'm going to tie the back. Going to tie it. So after tying, we bring the back to the front. We bring it to the front. I'm trying to adjust it for a while. So when bringing it to the front, we're going to turn it little. That twisted is not that kind that is tight. Just twisted is little by little, just rough one. Then you try to do it, adjust that up. Then we put our this thing. We plaster it there. You use pin to pin it. Use pin to pin it there. Try to place it there. Place up. Then I'm just trying to look for the front of the scarf. So that place again, you try to bring out some little up. So then you adjust the back. After adjust the back, that place I'm holding, you're going to take it to the back. Yeah, twisted it little, take it to the back, then suck it inside. What I'm doing here, I'm trying to suck it inside. That's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to suck it inside. So I've done that. Then use your hand to trace that place, trace it to bring it up little by little. Just to get the shape of what we are looking for. So guys, you can see what I'm doing. I'm trying to adjust and bring out it up little. Yeah, so you can see so that we can get the shape. That is just it. So guys, you see now. Wow. So guys, don't forget to comment, like and share. See you in my next video. Bye.